Hi, hello.
Welcome to our online English class. By the way, can you see me clearly? Can you hear me well? Is my talking speed okay? Or should I speak slowly? By the way, I am Teacher Sheena. How about you? What is your name? Nice to meet you. Are you ready to learn new things today? If that's so, let me share to you my screen. Can you see my screen? Today, we will learn about lesson 1. Do we have the same textbook? In our lesson 1, we have the title, What do you want to do? Can you repeat? And our week's phrase is I want to. Can you repeat? That's great. T- Today we will learn new words and we're going to choose the correct word that matches the picture. Is that clear? But before that, let us read all the words, okay? Repeat after teacher. Letter A, play. B, sing. Sing. Eat, make, dance, sing, eat, dance. Very good. Now, take a look at picture number 1. What do you think it is? Play or sing? Very good. Play. How about picture number 2? Eat or make? Very good. Eat. How about number 3? Dance or sing? Very good. How about number 4? Eat or dance? Very good. It's dance. By the way, sorry, it's already time. Thank you for joining today's class. Job well done. Keep practicing your English every day, and I'll see you next time. Take care.